Best way to grow on YouTube is by posting shorts. Yes. Especially if you want to grow your subscriber and get watch hour. But a lot of people make use of short the wrong way and interfere the growth of their channel. And as a small YouTuber, making use of shorts the wrong way can ruin your channel, can make your channel shadow banned, and again can make your account demonetized. And worst of it all, can maybe get your account deleted. And also, short can also help in the growth of your channel by giving subscriber watch hour. Note that posting short isn't bad as people used to say. So don't get it by people saying, don't post short, short is this, short is that, many things. Because if short is bad, if YouTube short is bad, yes, YouTube will not put it there for creators to be make use of them. Yes, YouTube won't put it there. So, and short can be a problem if you don't know how to make use of it the right way. So in this video, I'm teaching you how to make use of short the right way to get massive subscriber, watch hour, and many more things. But before that, let me quickly introduce myself for the first time in my video. Hello, my name is Bolu Vibes. Welcome to my channel, and I would love to subscribe to my new channel because my first channel got deleted. And do well to like my video and check my playlist. So back to our tutorial. First question you should ask yourself is, why am I posting shorts? Yes, why am I posting YouTube shorts? What am I short for? How is this short representing my channel? Is this short representing what my channel is about? Ask yourself that first question. Then if you can answer it, there are things to avoid when posting shorts. Like number one, avoid posting shorts that aren't your own. Yes, I know it might sound somehow, but we small YouTuber are used to posting content that aren't our own. Like we will go to Instagram, pick video, and repost as shorts. No, stop it. Post your own video because you are your own brand. If you don't post your video, who will? If you don't post yourself, who will post you? Tell me. Nobody. So all the videos you are getting from those sites, all those videos you are getting from north, south, you can also see that and recreate your video. Yes, and post it. You can never tell your viral video. So, and if you keep posting content that aren't your own, it will ruin your channel along the line or way. Number two, avoid posting shorts that aren't related to your long form content or aren't your niche. See, I don't need to talk too much on that because I know you understand me. Like you are into cooking it, or your shorts, you're not posting tutorials. No, stop it. Or the other way around. That's what I'm saying, Shab. So number three, avoid posting watermarked videos. I know most of us are guilty of posting TikTok videos with watermark. Yes, I know it's your video. Yes, it's your video. And it's your content. Yes, no doubt in that. But if you want to repost your content that is from TikTok or and other social media, you have to remove the watermark. Yes, you have to remove the watermark. And how can you remove the watermark? You can remove the watermark by going to your browser to download either Instant Save or go to Play Store to download it. When it's downloaded, you copy the URL of your TikTok video or whatever social media you want to use and paste it there. Then it will be downloaded without watermark and you can post it on YouTube as short. And it won't affect the growth of your channel. So since we have known what to avoid, so we have known that we should avoid posting watermark video, we should avoid posting content that is not our niche, we should avoid posting content that is not our own. Make it three things. Now, here's how to post YouTube shorts the right way. Here's how to post shorts the right way. And it is what your channel is about. Since you have known what to avoid, now here's how to post YouTube shorts the right way. And to represent what your channel is about. And you will get more views, more subscriber counts, and many more watch hours. So here's what you will do. After uploading that long form content, no, you don't need to record a new video for your shorts. No. After uploading that your long form content, this is what you will do. Go to your home page. I guess I'll be sharing my screen with your screen record for you. So be checking myself as I'm speaking. Now this is my home page. Don't pick any video of your choice. Like scroll through, like pick any video of your choice. Well, let me pick my latest video or any video I like. Then you click on it. You will see the remix icon. Pick the remix icon. When you pick it, have you picked it? When you pick it, it will show edit into short, which is the first one. So you pick it, then you allow it to load. it will be like this. Are you seeing it? Did you see it did not align well? But don't worry, relax. Then first you take it to the captivating part in your video that you want to use for sure. If you click on like they want to watch the long form content, no matter what. So you take it to that part. Are you seeing it? You take it to the captivating part. Are you seeing as I'm doing it? You click on either 15 seconds or to increase to 60 seconds, depending on what you want. And did you see it did not stay aligned? So what are we going to do for it to align? And it's not aligned because it's in a different ratio. So don't panic. I got you covered. There are two ways you align this. You align it like this, and if you still do not like it, are you seeing it? If you have aligned that you do not like it, click on layout. You wait for it to load. You see that it's loading. After it loads, let me click the first one so you can see it. So when you click the first one, then do you like this one? Nah, not like it. Then let's pick the second one. But I guess I will prefer the second one because it's making sense. You can see the second one that is split into two, up and down, but it's making sense. So you can be checking the rest if you want, but you see the rest, see the number 2, number 3, and you see it as it's there. It's plenty. I said I'm clicking on it, but the second one is good, which is split 1, or you can use split 2. So I guess this is better. So you press continue. It will load for maybe like 1 to 2 minutes. See as it's loading. While it's loading, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Check out my playlist. I am Bolivice and this is a new channel. Oh, that's not finished. So you put a caption. Let me put don't rush, because I'm using this my video. Don't rush your YouTube channel. Then I click on next. You will fill the rest yourself. You can change the thumbnail by pressing the pencil icon. Set it to what you like. The picture I see it will be attractive, because that's what you call the 3 seconds thumbnail. But make sure that you link the long form content to the short by clicking on related video. This is it. Click on it. Yes. Have you clicked on it? That's it. Then add to your playlist and do the rest yourself. Click on upload shorts. So like that, people are going to watch your video in short, which is part of your long form content and not another content that is not your own. So you're using your long form content to create shorts, and that's how to post shorts the right way. Using your long form content to make shorts is the right way to post shorts. So YouTube will refer them to the long form content if they watch the shorts. Yes, that way you'll be getting views, subscriber, and you don't have to worry about copyright since it's your content. And because YouTube puts that remix icon for a reason, and that's the right way to make use of shorts. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and kindly leave a question if you have kindly leave a comment if you have any question. See you in my next video. I am Bolivice. Bye bye.